Hi, after graduating with an MBA degree and getting placed in the edtech industry as a sales analyst, I knew the possibilities were endless. And while creating and analyzing reports for business decision making became my forte, I quickly realized to advance to better roles in my career, I had to learn more about business tools and understand their functionalities. That's why I took up a course in business tools and software while still on the job. The course taught me everything I need to know about useful business tools such as Advance Excel, macros, pivot, presentations, ERP, Google Slides, Teams, and more. With every tool that the course touched upon, I could notice a difference in the way I worked. My efficiency and productivity increased, and I could generate reports with great speed and precision. Today, I generate and present some of the most crucial reports to the leadership, which help them drive important insights for the business and our revenues. As a working professional, you must continuously learn and upskill to stay relevant in the workforce and secure your career. Set goals, track your progress, and celebrate it because every step forward in your skilling journey counts. Thank you.